All right, guys, we got you guys today a 1998 Pontiac Trans Am. As you guys can see from the blur. It's got the 5.7 in it. It's really clean. What we got done on it for you guys. So as you guys can see, it came with long tube headers. Somebody else put them on there and there. Then he was complaining too much of a smell. It didn't have cats on it. So we put a cat on it right there, high flow, as you guys can see right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. 3-inch in, 3-inch out, then continue the 3-inch tailpipe out the back into a Flowmaster 80 series. That's specially made for those, for Camaros and Firebirds, because it goes out, then it goes in, then it has the same inlet and outlet at the one side, and then one outlet on the other side. What was the name of the? I forgot. Crossflow. There we go. My mind went blank today, guys. 80 series crossflow muffler. So it goes in through here. So you see it goes up in through here. Then it comes back out through here and through here. And then he's got some quad tips on it. Right there and right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, Jared always reminds me, hit that notification bell. Listen to that. That sounds good. I like it. Your sound decibels again. Right at 105. It actually made it a little bit louder. Smoothed it out. It sounds so good. Flowmaster 80. Trans Am. Let you guys hear on the inside. Pontiac Trans Am 5.7 liter long tube headers, high flow cat, 80 series Flowmaster. He added to the marks. Burnout Alley. You guys see that?